Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with the National Weather Forecast for tomorrow, Thursday the 25th of June. Let's start by taking a look at our weather map. We can see this big high pressure system sitting to the south of Australia. Now that's bringing mostly settled conditions across the majority of the continent. A few showers in the east though, particularly along the east coast. Along the New South Wales coast we've got this coastal trough bringing a bit of an increase in showers there. Over inland parts of South Australia, a few showers and possibly even some rumbles of thunder. That's associated with an upper level trough moving through the region. And finally, over in Western Australia, this approaching cold front is going to bring some showers and some windy conditions to the southwest coast. Starting in Queensland though, we've got these showers along the east coast. Not expecting too much rainfall with that, maybe just single digit rainfall totals, perhaps a touch more about parts of the North Tropical Coast. In the far west, we're looking at mostly sunny conditions, partly cloudy elsewhere, perhaps some morning frost patches around the Granite Belt or the Carnarvon Ranges. For Brisbane, we're looking at 1 or 2 showers and a top of 22 degrees, bang on average for this time of year. In New South Wales, we've got some showers in the east, most likely near the coast. In the west, we're looking at some morning fog patches and then a dry and partly cloudy day. We could also see some possible morning frost patches, most likely on the western slopes of the ranges. For Sydney, we're looking at a showery day, a top of 18 degrees. Perhaps some morning frost in Canberra, just 2 degrees overnight, up to 15 during the day. Only a slight chance of a shower getting that far inland. Down in Victoria, we're looking at some morning fog across pretty much anywhere in the state. We could see some morning frost patches as well, most likely in the northeast. Otherwise, it's going to be a partly cloudy and mostly dry day, apart from just a few showers in the south, most likely near the coast. Melbourne could see a couple of morning fog patches and then a partly cloudy day, top of 14 degrees, again bang on average for June. Down in Tasmania, there's a chance of a couple of showers in the northwest or around King Island. Otherwise, it's looking like a mostly dry and partly cloudy day. We could see some morning fog and frost patches through the inland. And down in the southeast, it's going to be quite sunny actually, a top of 12 degrees in Hobart, again average for this time of year. In South Australia, we're looking at some showers near the coast and also inland around the Nullarbor, perhaps southern parts of the pastoral districts. And we could also see some thunderstorms in this region as well. We're also looking at some possible fog over eastern parts and also around parts of the Eyre Peninsula. For Adelaide, a top of 17 degrees, partly cloudy with light winds. Over in Western Australia, a few showers around the Euclid district, mostly clearing through the morning. Also maybe some morning fog patches through the southeast of the state. Otherwise mostly settled apart from this approaching cold front, which will bring some windy conditions to the southwest and maybe a few showers about the coast late in the day or at night. Perth is looking at a mostly sunny top of 22 degrees. And finally, up in the north, we're looking at a few showers up in the northeast Arnhem district, maybe a couple of fog patches through the Arnhem district, and otherwise a mostly settled and generally sunny day with cool east to southeasterly winds. We could even see some frost patches in the south. Alice Springs overnight just 2 degrees, top of 18 during the day, while Darwin's expecting sunny, dry season conditions, a top of 32 degrees. And that's it for our weather forecast. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau's website and the BOM weather app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.